Hi children, good morning to all. So now we continue the exercise number 3.5. We have to continue. Already we discussed about lot of things to find out the cube root by prime factorization, subtraction method, like that. So here what we have to find means find the smallest number by which 2025 must be multiplied to make it perfect cube. So 2025 is not a perfect cube. We need to make this 2025 as a perfect cube. How? Because of that we supposed to multiple any of a number to convert this to the perfect cube. So that is the concept. Find the smallest number. So we don't know the smallest number. Which one we have to multiple with 2025 to make it a perfect cube. And also find the cube root of the number the subtained. If the given number is 2025, once you multiple with any other number, you got a new number. Okay, that is the number that's obtained. We need to find the cube root of the new number also. So before we have to find out the new number, first what we have to do, first we need to take a prime factorization of 2025. First we need to know whether this one is not a perfect cube. Means how you find out this is a perfect cube or not. Once you find out the cube root by using prime factorization, that factor it seems to be in triplet. If any of the number is not in triplet, we say it is a not perfect cube. So we supposed to make that factor as triplet. Okay, so in a solution I have to take 2025. So a number ends with 5, I take 5 to divide. So 2 is smaller number, we take 0. So 20, how many times? 4 times. Now you can check. First time already I told, first time you have to take so many digits, no problem. But second time you must take only one digit, that is 2. So 2 is smaller than 5, you need to take 5. You need 5. So what we have to do, we must add 1 0 to take this digits. Now it become 25. So 5 times 5, 25. Again it divisible by 5. 4 is smaller, you take 0. Now it becomes 40. 8 times 5, 40, and 1 times 5, 5. Again you want to divisible but not in 5. You can check with any other number. So 5 is not possible, 2 is also not possible. Whether you want to be checked with the 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Yes, so 3 is possibility, prime number to divide. So 3. So 8 is greater than 3. So now you go with tables 3. 3 ones 3 and 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So 9 is greater than 8. We take 2 times. 2 times means 6. Remaining 2. We take another one digit. Now this one become 21. Okay. How many times? 7 times. Again we divide with the 3. So 27. It gives 9 times. 9 become in a 3 times. So now we get 1. So once you reach 1, you stop the process. Okay. So just to write the prime factors. Prime factors of 2025 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now you want to check whether all the factor is in triplet or not. So I just make a triplet 1, 2, 3. Triplet means a number multiple thrice. You can see a number, another one factor. We need 2 more 3 to make this triplet and 1 more 5 to make triplet. So already in a question itself they have to given it is not a perfect cube. We want to multiply with a smaller number to make this as a perfect cube. Okay. So what we have to do here, 3 and 5. Here 3 and 5 are not in triplet. Here 3 and 5 are not in triplet. Okay. So already in the question itself they given this is not a perfect cube. So here 3 and 5 not in triplet. Okay, what we have to do, we need to take a smallest number. So smallest number is nothing but How many 3 you need to make triplet? Already one 3 is there. We need 2 more 3. Okay, we need 2 more 3 to make this 3 as triplet. And how many 5 we need to make this 5 as triplet? 1 more 5. Now you multiply this 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. So, if the smallest number 45, you must multiply with the 2025. It become perfect cube. Okay. So, which implies that 2025 can be multiplied with 45. It become perfect cube. Now, you need to add the new factors. So, already how many 3 is there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many 3 you have to add to make this 3 as triplet? 2 more 3. So we need to add 2 more 3. I just show in a different color. So 3 into 3. Okay. Already how many 5 is there? 2 5 is there. So already 2 5 is there. We supposed to add 1 more 5. So I just shown in a different color. So these are the factors to make the previous factor in a triplet. Now you underline the triplet. Triplet means already I told you a number multiple thrice. 1 2 3. With new number it becomes triplet, and with new 5 it becomes triplet. Now all the factors C seems to be triplet. Now you multiply this 2 and make a cube root. So cube root of what is the value you must multiply and you need to get. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 3. Just you have to write in all in the same color. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5. Because of your clarity, I have to show in a different color. What are the new factors we have to I add to make the number as triplet. Okay, so now you can check what's the value of 2025 into 45. So we get 91,125. Okay, so cube root of 91,125 is equal to, you can make this triplet. So you take cube root. Out of 3 we take only 1. So we take 1 3 and then another 1 3 and 5. Now you get 5 3 3s are 9, 45. Okay, so yeah, smallest number is 45. We have to multiple with 2025. The new number obtained is 91,125 and the cube root of the new number is 45. Okay, therefore cube root of 91,125 is equal to 45. So we get the new number and the cube root also. Okay, next we move on to question number 10. So find the smallest number by which 1,40,625 must be divided so that the quotient thus obtained in a perfect cube. Also find the cube root of the number thus obtained. In a previous sum, what we have to do, we supposed to multiple. Okay, we need to add extra factors to make the triplet. But here we need to cancel those who are not in a triplet. We have to cancel it and divide the divide this number by the smaller number. We get one quotient, that is the perfect cube number. We need to find out the cube root. Okay, so as usual same process. Instead of multiplication, here we want to do division. So first we take 1,40,625. So we go with the 5 table. 1 is smaller, 4 14, 2 times 10 and remaining 4, it becomes 40. 8 times 6 is greater, 1 times remaining 1, so 2 become 12. 2 times 10 remaining 2, 5 becomes 25. 5 times 25, so 28. So how many times? 5 5s are 25, remaining 3 31. 6 5s are 30, remaining 1 12. 2 5s are 10, remaining 2, and then 5 5s are 25. Likewise we have to continue the process. 1 times 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. So 5 2s are 10, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 and then 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45. This one divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now we stop the process. Okay. So now you write all the prime factors. 1,40,625 is equal to 3 into 3. So how many 5? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5. Now you can underline the triplet. So 3 is not in triplet. 1 2 3. So 5, one set of triplet, another set of triplet. Here which one is not in triplet? Prime factor 3 is not in triplet. Here 3 is not in triplet. Okay, so 3 is not in triplet. So you no need to multiple to make. We want to divide. So how many number we need to cancel? We need to cancel 3 times 3. Okay, smallest number. Smallest number. So previously what we have to do, we have to add how many 3 and how many 5. Here how many 3 we need to cancel? We need to cancel 2 times of 3. Okay, so 3 3s are 9. So 9 is the smallest number. Okay, so now you can divisible 1,40,625 can be divided by 9 and then factors 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now it can be divisible by the factor 3 into 3. Now it cancel 3 3 3 3, it become cancel, and then 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18. So 9 1s are 9, remaining 5. So 9 5s are 45, remaining 5. 9 6 are 54, remaining 2, and then 9 2s are 18, remaining 4, and then 9. So 5s are, so 15,625. Cube root of 15,625 is a new number once you cancel this 2. Okay, and what are the remaining factors after cancellation? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 5 multiple 6 times. Now you separate the triplet. One set of triplet and another one set of triplet. Okay, now you take the cube root. So cube root of 15,625 is nothing but 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Okay, the same concept, but here only one thing is different. In the previous sum we have to add 2 more 3 and 1 more 5 to make a triplet. Here the same, this 2 3 we need to cancel, so I just take that 2 3. So 9 is a smaller number. Simply I have to divide the factors and the number, you get the new number and find the cube root. Next we have to see question number 11. Find the edge of cube whose volume is 166.375 centimeter cube. The given value is volume of a cube. Okay, what they given? Volume of a cube is equal to 166.375 centimeter cube. So volume of a cube is nothing but side into side into side, which is equal to 166.375 centimeter cube. Let x be the side. Let x be the side. Okay, so x into x into x, which is equal to 166.375, and x cube, which is equal to 166.375. We need to find x, which is equal to cube root of 166.375. So we need to take a prime factorization. We have to multiple with the 5 table. So 3 times 5, 15, remaining 1. So again 3 times 15, remaining 1, so it becomes 13. So 2 times we take means 10, remaining 3, so 37. 7 times we take means 35, remaining 2, it becomes 25, so 5 times. Again we continue with the same process 5. So 3 is smaller than 5 and go with 6 times 30, remaining 3, 32. Again 6 times 3, 30, 5 times 25, remaining 2 and 5 times. Again we go with, so how many times it ends with the 0 or 5, we continue with the 5. So 6 is greater, so 1 times we take means we got it, remaining 1, and 3 times 15, remaining 1, so 3 times 15 and 1 times 5. So now you can see this is the cube of 11. Okay, so 1331, you know that this is cube of 11, so I just divisible with 11. So 111 is 11, remaining 23, 2 11 and 111. Again it's 11 11 set 121. So now we end the process with 5 and 11. Okay, so we know that x, which is equal to cube root of, we taken 166.375. so after finding, already I note in a decimal point 3 digits means cube root we have only 1 decimal point. So all the factors we supposed to write 5 into 5 into 5, 11 into 11 into 11. Okay, so we take 1 5 and then 1 11, so we take it as 5 5s are 55. So 3 decimal point in cube, we have only 1 decimal point in a cube root. So therefore x, which is equal to 5.5 centimeter. So 3 number are in the ratio 1:3:4. Sum of their cubes is 47,104. Find the numbers. Okay, so we don't know the number. Okay, so we don't know the number. So the ratio of the number. Okay, solution, ratio of the numbers. Ratio of the numbers are 1:3:4, which implies that 1x, 3x, 4x are the numbers. Okay, so next, sum of their cubes. Sum of their cubes. So sum of 3 cube, sum of cube of 3 numbers, that is the main thing. So sum of cube of 3 numbers, which is equal to 47,104. Okay, so sum of cube of 3 numbers means these are the 3 numbers with the ratio. So what is the meaning is that 1x cube plus 3x cube plus 4x cube, which is equal to 47,104. Okay, so if you cube means 1 1s are 1, so x cube plus you have to cube 3 means it becomes a 27x cube plus 64x cube, which is equal to 47,104. So you add this all the values, so 64, 84, 91 plus 92 x cube, which is equal to 47,104. So x cube is equal to 47,104 divided by 92. So you must divisible with this. Okay, so we supposed to divisible normally, so we can check with this tens. 9 4s are 36 and 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54. It seems to be 500 something. Okay, so we take with 5 times. 5 2s are 10, 0 remaining 1, 9 5s are 45, 46. Okay, so 1 1, so 110. So again we need to go with 3 times means 27. So we supposed to take 2 times means 2 9s are 18. So we take only 1 times. So 92. So now you divisible. So the 0 become 10 and 1 becomes 0. If you borrow means it's become 10. Okay, so 8 1. So 184. Okay, 184 means, so 9 2s are 18. We check with the 2. So 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, 184. So you divisible this 47,104 by 92, you get 512. So x cube, which is equal to 512. So by using prime factorization, now we need to find out the prime factors of 512. So x equal to 5. So now we take with the prime factorization. So divisible with 2. So 2 times 4, 5 times and 6. Again 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, and then 32. So its process is going on. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1 6 2s are 12, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 1 2 is 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. X, which is equal to cube root of 2 into 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 2. So now you check with the pair. So now you make a triplet. So what you get? 2 into 2 into x equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So x, which is equal to 8. So we got the value of 8. Now we find out the numbers. Okay, so 1x, which is equal to 1 into 8 equal to 8, and then 3x, which is equal to 3 into 8 equal to 24, and then 4x, which is equal to 4 into 8 equal to 32. So therefore 8, 24 and 32 are the three numbers. Okay children, next class we discuss about the estimate of cube roots by using the tabular column. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching our channel. This video உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுனா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன்